Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Discord crashing on your settings. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down here to looking. We will click here on apps, then we come to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for Discord app here, and this is window, uh, and we can search for it here, Discord, and you click here on Discord, then you come to next window here like you say, or app info, and you click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you just go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do, and it's going to fix your problem. I wish you are getting it now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.